I'm Jason, the world is yours, and this is what I bought from Domino. So as you can see, I got the mix and match, two medium, two topping pizzas, and a nice 2-liter Sprite. Let's get the Sprite right there. Okay, got the Sprite out of there. The total was about, I think you could see that real quick. The total was about $19.94. One hand toss pepperoni and bacon, another hand toss with black olives and feta cheese, 2 boxes, marinara sauce, and a ranch dipping, and a 2-liter Sprite. We got the ranch right here, as you can see. We got the marinara, okay. So let's check out the 2 pizzas. Let's see which one is first here. Let me see. Okay, so this looks like the pepperoni with bacon. What is that, about 8 slices? A lot of calories here, but it's gonna be very delicious. And then you can see, right, you gotta love when the oil drips out of the box. That's a good sign. And then the other one is gonna be the feta cheese one, right? With some black olives. Oh yeah, that looks delicious. Definitely gonna throw some ranch on this. But yeah, I think that's a pretty good deal. About $19. 16 slices of pizza, marinara sauce, ranch sauce, and a 2-liter Sprite. I'm Jason, the world is yours. Let me know what you order when you go to Domino's. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the $1 donation button, and please tune in to the next video on this channel. Thanks a million for watching.